Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today.
I wanted to share a little something extra with you, a photo reference of bamboo, just for my subscribers. Now, you might be thinking, why would I need a reference photo of bamboo? And why would I share it with you?
Well, some folks have no access to bamboo. Some aren't capable or don't have time to research. They just need reference photos so they can practice black ink painting. So I threw all my pictures of bamboo up on this channel for my subscribers. Please feel free to use them as references. Eventually I'll take more and much better photos, but these should be a good starting point.
I admit these are not gallery pictures. These are reference photos to practice sumi-e, Chinese and black ink painting, if you have any. Requests, let us know in the comments. I must restate these photos are references, not art photos. Dean shot all these photos. He converted most to black and white. For your clarity. Remember, you can stop and start the video to practice any part of the plant you want. These last two images are students' first attempts at black ink painting. Wanted to give a shout out to Linda. Great job.